guys, figured I'd do a quick video on this stats. I haven't done a lot much with these because I think you remember that I've had to turn a lot of them off because my computer issues were bogging up and whatnot. So I don't have as much data as I have in the have had in the past. So in any event, I figured I do have some information from Kathy and Mimi, so I thought I'd at least push that through. These are the ones that I'm working on, these Rankos that I love. Still kind of working on. This one looked promising until I kind of looked into it a little bit more. You know, who knows? I didn't look into it that much, but I just went to January. This is all January stuff, and I filtered down. Well, I went over here to this, pulled it up into stats to 46, and it looked like $2,000 at 3 o'clock in the morning. That just kind of red flagged it to me. So I'm like, okay, something going on. I mean, granted, London session could have, it's possible. So I looked into it a little further and filtered down to that. And, this is the data here for that one time, 3 o'clock, the 3 o'clock, 3:30 area. And, without looking at a chart to see if something spiked or something at the open, who knows? Something could have happened, whatever happened on the 21st. So in any event, you got to exclude that, but I wouldn't be trading that anyway. This session doesn't look all that great. Interesting here, but the red flag is, 3 contracts right here at 3:30 in the afternoon. Well, I don't know. It's just kind of, it's too new, and I got to look into it a little deeper and darker. But anyway, so it's kind of looking through here. I know Tom stopped sending down and he turned them off. He's done with them. He said he's been working with them for 1.5 years, and he just can't find any settings, and they don't work, and he's getting discouraged. So anyway, you could always reach out to him and see. But let's see, Stephen hasn't given me anything. He said he was going to set up these charts, and quite frankly, I haven't seen him in our rooms either. So I should probably touch base with him. Maybe he's watching this and might want to come in and say hi. Wally, this is information. I'm not sure what the latest information I have from you. I know the 604, but you discontinued that one. I think you opened up a couple new charts, and I think I have 1 or 2 days here. That's about it of something. Russell, I haven't had information from him in a while, so I don't know what he's looking at. Not too impressed by any of that. But I am impressed for Kathy's and Mimi's here. So Kathy's this one here, both of them 700 and 701. I'm impressed with. Really impressed with this one here. So you kind of dive into it a little bit here. I'll dive into that. Let's look at. Well, let's start with 700. So let me go to 700. Let me pause it. That way you guys don't have to wait for it. Hold on, I'll pause it. Okay, so here's 700. Obviously the New York AM, and there's that pre-market, and there's those opening numbers that Gus seems to really draw his attention to. But anyway, there's that's the 902. So that one looks okay. And then what is it on 701? So let's go to 701. Hold on. Okay, so this is a nice one. Obviously, again, the yeah, this is something definitely to look at. And I'm wondering here real quick. Let me look, because I know I opened up based on that. Let me look at mine. I did a yeah, this one here. This one I just created on the 20th. So I'd have to compare. See, those are the same numbers. I think I mimicked Kathy's here. But I'm looking only at the 20th. I think I only have the 20th and maybe the 21st or something. But it's not as impressive. So I'm not sure. We can dive into the morning if you want to really kind of zoom into this area. We can go in and take a look at it. 701. Hold on, I'll go find it. 701. 701. Where's 701? this up. Hold on. There's 701. So if you look at it, she's got 6th, 7th, 12th, 14th. She's got a little bit more data than I did. But it looks like something happened. Something happened here. That's crazy big. I don't know what happened here. I don't know, without looking at the market and the chart to see, maybe it spiked up and went crazy. I don't know. That's the 14th. So I don't know what happened. But those are red flags right there. But even if you took out those, you take those two out, you're still looking down here at, you know, you're looking at $6,000 net. You know, hold on. No, did I do that wrong? I'm going to add these up. Those up. There you go. $2,000, 2,500. So even taking out those two crazy numbers, you're still looking at, you know, you're still looking at 2,500 bucks. So, but in any event, but that is the open. So I mean, who knows? Who knows? But that's a good number. And then the other one was Mimi. I'm liking the. I don't like the London session on this one, but we could dive into 725 a little bit. We'll dive into both of them. Hold on, 725. So let's go to 725. 725. All right. So yeah, London session. I don't like. This wee hours. Wee hours of Barney stuff. This is data collection, but it kind of tells us what we already know. Don't do it. Here's this open. I don't know what happened there. 28 trades. Or contracts. I don't know what happened there. But it's up. I mean, not that one, but all in all, the session itself did some okay for those days that we talked about. Let's see. What was 726? All right. Boy, I still gravitate. I know Gus is right there. Yeah, this one's all right too. 4, 8, 12, 15 trades. So that one's looking good. So anyway, these are good to watch out for. ES, YM. So in any event, if you guys are interested in seeing something else, something specific, or send me your data and I could plug it in here and we could, you know, dive into it a little bit more by the hour. Once we get some more data in here, then we'll have, you know, a bigger data set and kind of get rid of all the highs and the low crazy ones, and get a better number. But again, this is all based on sim and not you know, historical stuff. This is actual live bots trading during the day. And just to kind of give you a side thought here, I'm working on a formula here that will tell me the ticks. So for instance, I'm still working on it here, but like the NQ, is it this one here? I think yeah, this one here. We're working on how many ticks. So in other words, if you look at, I don't know, let's just do all the sessions here. Let's look at this one. So you say, okay, this $1,400, what's the tick value on that? And let's say, okay, it was 5,000 ticks, you know, whatever. And then, so if you wanted to switch that out with MNQ, you could just do the multiplication and it'll tell you what you would have made on MNQ had it been in there, using the same number of ticks. So anyway, that's what I'm working on, along with the MAE average, so we can see how much heat we're taking and see if that's abnormal or not. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So let me know if there's anything else you want, but I'm just doing my thing, collecting data. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.